I'd say I use Garage Hive as another member of the team to help manage the everyday, rather than having someone to oversee everything. It does that for us.
The great thing that Garage Hive has done for us is it's give us visibility in our business. We can see exactly what's going on in the workshop, in the front of house, and then we can most importantly see what the customer satisfaction is like. And all of that is brought together through reports on Power BI.
Theoretically, the answer should be the software and all of that technical side of it. Actually, for our business, what it's done is given us confidence, it's given us a community, it's given me loads of women in business that I'd never met before in this industry.
We were looking for a change in our management system. Effectively, weren't happy with some of the things that were there and in place, and came across Garage Hive. And once you sort of meet the team and how it all fits together, it's it was a no-brainer really.
The Garage Hive customer service is fantastic. The support team are always there to help you when you need them, and not only that, they're always listening to you and the network, because we are a community and a network of garages, for new ideas, improvements, updates, things we can do to help our businesses.
Customer service is good. The guys with WhatsApp groups or pick up the phone, get in contact with them fairly quickly, get problems resolved if there's any glitches in the system that we need looked at, usually same day. Yeah, so it's good, yeah.
If you're looking to progress, you want some decent structure in your business so that everyone can follow the same processes, give a consistent level of service throughout, then Garage Hive is the only software that I've found that will allow you to do that.